What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. So today is going to kind of be like a part 2 of me installing the lift, but I've run into quite a bit of issues. So like I said, and I think last video, I was waiting on upper control arms, parts, stuff like that. Well, those all came in, and I was going to change the passenger side because I think the driver's side's fine. So I think I might leave that, but I already have the driver's side upper control arm. So I'm just gonna keep that as a spare just in case anything does happen. I'll keep an eye on it. But the reason I'm not changing it is because of the hang-ups I came into on the passenger side. And I figured if I don't have to, I'm not gonna. So like I said, the driver's side is fine. It's tight still. There's no play in the ball joint. And it actually still looks like it's only been on there for a little bit. So I'm thinking that's gonna be okay. But here we are on the passenger side. As you can see, there's nothing in there. I got it all out, and this is the control arm, which, as you can see, the shaft for the bolt is still in the control arm. So I went to take it off, and the back bolt for it came out. This is a little tough, but it still came out, and then I had to beat it out with a hammer because it was pretty rusty in there. And then the first little movement I got, head snapped straight off. I wonder if I can actually find it. It was this side. It just snapped straight off, clean flush with this mount here. And I had a time getting that out. I tried a couple different things. Tried my ball joint press over there, but from where I tried to push the ball joint out here, it bent my ball joint press, so then it was sitting all wonky, so that's trash now. What ended up working, and this is going to be kind of a tip, especially if you guys are replacing your upper control arms anyways, this, I was having a time getting this off, like I said, and this worked in about, literally probably 2 or 3 minutes, cutting through both sides. Saws on this thing off. So this is a carbide Hart Sawzall metal cutting blade. If I can find the package. I just went to Walmart and picked this up. I think it was like 11 bucks for the blade, and then put it on my Sawzall and cut right through that in no time at all. Where I cut is, I'll use this side since this side's got both bushings in it. But right between here, on the outside of, or on the inside of this one, I just went between the rubber and then this outside metal piece, that metal sleeve, cut through that side, and it got through the bolt. And then this one, I went to the inside of this little bushing between the rubber. Cut straight through there, real nice and easy. No fuss at all after that. And then it pulled out. I got that side out. All that came out. So if you guys are having this issue getting that off, these carbide blades, it was a lifesaver. Took a couple minutes. And yeah, sure, probably I could do it on the driver's side. But like I said, that ball joint seems fine. It's real tight in there. And I cleaned off the upper, and it's still got like that black coating. So I'm almost wondering if they didn't replace it a little bit before I got the truck. So I don't know, I'll put it back in, see what happens. But as of right now, I'm not gonna mess with it. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put the driver's side back together. But major hang up with the lift, with that being said, because since that bolt snapped, I had to order new cam bolts. So I've got 2 new cam bolts coming in. It says it's supposed to be here like Wednesday. Today's Sunday. I think this video will be up Monday. So I'm gonna have to wait a couple more days, and hopefully, I know I said this I think last weekend, or last video, hopefully the lift will be done next weekend. So major, I wouldn't say major, but pretty decent size hang up. Not gonna get the lift done this weekend, sadly. But that's kind of what happens, especially when you start digging into a 312,000 mile, what used to be work truck. So she's getting there, slowly but surely. Like I said, not much left really at all. And I think I'm gonna, like I said, put the driver's side together. Squirt a couple pumps of grease in there, in the upper ball joint. And then put the little fitting on the bottom, squirt a couple in that. And then put the knuckle on, probably go ahead and put the hub on, brakes. Literally probably put this whole thing back together, everything except the wheel. And then this side will be, at least for the most part, done until the wheel gets put on, and then I put that side on. So that's kind of where I'm at. Just kind of wanted to update you guys. I know I haven't posted in a week. I didn't post last week, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and post this week. Just give you guys a little update of what's going on and just another hang up, but shouldn't be too much longer now. And then this old girl will be back on the road. I'm not a big fan of these talking videos. I know I talk a lot in these videos, but I would rather be doing something. But I know you guys need an update, and I know you guys want to see where I'm at. So again, hopefully next week's upload will be me showing you guys the truck lifted up. Hopefully I can get it to the alignment shop, and then I think the following week will be 100% done on the road, driving, and she'll all be good. So it's gonna take some time, a little bit of a process, especially doing it on my schedule. Work a very demanding job, a lot of hours, a lot of weekends. Only get a couple hours every few days to touch this thing, so bear with me. She's getting done. We'll be done very, very soon. I'll still be posting maybe little updates, just kind of where I'm at on Instagram, stuff like that. So if you don't already follow me on there, follow me on there. Kind of keep up with the updates and everything. But as of now, I think I'm gonna get started on just kind of slapping that together. Like I said, it's real simple stuff. It just knuckle, hub, and brakes, all that good stuff. And like I said before, when I started this whole thing, I do have a brake upgrade. I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna get everything together, just kind of focus on one thing at a time. I'm very, very bad at multitasking when it comes to stuff like this. So focus on one thing at a time, get that done, then I'll do the brakes. That video will be coming very, very soon. So pretty excited about that one too. But I think that's gonna wrap this one up, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Not really quick, I'm talking through the whole thing. But just want to give you an update of what happened, update of where we're at on the truck, and give you guys a little bit of a tip if you're struggling with these upper control arms, trying to get them off, can't figure it out. Those carbide metal heart blades from Walmart, those things are a lifesaver. I might leave a link, like maybe try to find it on Walmart's site and leave a link in the description below. But they cut through that thing like butter, and I've gone through 2 of the multi-cut blades. Those will not cut it. They just eat straight through the teeth. Nothing will help. So like I said, go get you one of those blades if you're struggling with that and just need to cut it off. If you're just gonna go ahead and replace it anyways, go that route. Don't fight with it, because I fought with it for about 2 days and lost my cool a couple times, and that's never fun. So go pick you up one of those if you're fighting with this, want to get it done. But like I said, that's gonna wrap this video up, guys. Thank you so much for watching, following me through this headache of a process that I've got myself into now. Let me know if you guys have installed these on your trucks. Let me know the kind of problems you guys had. It'll make me feel a little bit better. Let me know if you guys are excited as I am about this. I know I keep kind of hinting on that, but the more support I get from this, the more it motivates me to actually get this done and not put her up on Marketplace and tell somebody to come pick this thing up. So this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. Again, thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you like the stuff I'm putting out. Hit that like button if you like this video and if you're excited to see this done. Go follow me on all my socials. Those will be at the end card screen and also in the link in the description below. But again, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.